all Toyota, Vios, Wigo, or Raze for a first car. Sige, wawem wamos. Shoutout sa'yo, sagutin natin. So, Toyota sibling rivalry, no? These three actually have been featured on my personal top 5 most affordable cars. Great for a first car owner. Below 1 million, no? So, sobrang okay talaga ng tatlong to. Nung kukuha po kami ng first car namin, I've shared this story to you. First option talaga namin dati is Toyota Wigo because siya yung para sa amin, pinaka-affordable na reputed na brand Toyota. Yan, matibay. Subok na, kumbaga. So, we inquired for a Toyota Wigo and then in-offer sa amin na agent si Vios for the sake of, sir, what if lalaki na yung family nyo, ganon. So, yun, we really nabudol kami doon, kumbaga. But budol in a really good way. We were really happy with it. It was totally fine. Solid build quality. Yung looks okay na okay din. Nakaka-proud siya, sedan. Until we carried 5. Maximum of 5 lang din naman talaga, no? But yung 5 na yun, we carried those 5 passengers na medyo mabigat kami. And then, yun, sumayad kami ng sobrang sayad sa isang napakalaking giant na hump. Ewan ko ba't nandun yun. Ironically, wala na yung hump na yun ngayon, but that's when we decided we wanted to get something, another car. So we decided to upgrade. That leads me to the recommendation, payong kaibigan. If you can get something with a higher ground clearance, if your situation or your lifestyle is lagi kayong maraming dala and then medyo may kalakihan din kayo sa family, then I highly suggest get something that is yung mataas talaga yung ground clearance. And yun lang, sa akin lang, na test drive ko rin si Toyota Raze. So ako yung bibili ngayon, tatlong to lang yung options ko. I think I'll really go for a Toyota Raze. Again, I've test driven it. Check it out on my YouTube channel. Nandun yung test drive natin kay Raze. Okay din yung suspension. Yun lang, caveat is Daihatsu made, yun yung sinasabi nila lagi. Daihatsu. Si Vios is original na Toyota. But maybe when you see this video in the future, under Daihatsu na rin si Vios. So if you wanna get a Vios now, good build quality, yan, OG Toyota, get it today kung gusto mo talaga ng sedan. But if not, Raze yung para sa akin, pang pamilya, high ground clearance, pang baha din, alam niyo na, flood, diba, lately. So please go ahead to my YouTube channel. I made a lot of videos about these 3 Toyota siblings. Sana nakatulong, follow for more.